Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am King and today we are going to do some small experiments related to the concept of acid, bases and salt. It would be interesting for you. And for all of that, subscribe to my channel on subscribe button and press the bell icon for my new video updates. For all of that, the bell icon for my new video updates. For all of that, let's begin. For all of that, you will need an indicator. I take the China rose, I boil it and take the juice out of it. You will need water, blank empty beakers, an injector or injection, a dropper, lemon and a spoon. For all of that, now let's begin with our experiment. First we have to take this beaker and make aqueous detergent solution. Here is a detergent. Pour the detergent inside the beaker. Then pour some water inside detergent. You can see here is a detergent. After pouring, mix it well. After mixing, take an aqueous solution of lemon. Let me make an aqueous solution of lemon. Here is a solution of lemon juice. For all of that, you will need 2 empty beakers. Pour some soap solution inside that. Okay. Now put it inside this beaker. Here is soap solution. Let me put it beside and put some lemon juice inside it. Pour some water. Can you see the lemon juice and the soap solution? Okay. Now here is our indicator of China rose. Let me take the indicator. I fill up the indicator. Now put a little bit inside the lemon juice. Let me put near. See and notice the color difference. Did you see that lemon juice turned into red color? Again, let me put some indicator. Put inside the soap solution also. Let me put. Did you notice that the lemon juice turns into red and the detergent solution turns into the dark green? It is because of some acid present in lemon juice and some base present in detergent solution. Yeah. This is our indicator. When indicator attracts with lemon juice, it's turned into red, and when indicator attracts with base, it's turned green. So it is confirmed. So for all that understanding, let's do it again and have more fun. And soap solution, pour water in both of that. Here is our indicator. You see the color red turns. Let me put more indicator inside this. Let me put some more indicator inside soap solution. Here are the experiments tubes. There was before, the soap solution was before like this and it turned into this, and the lemon juice was this and turn into the both of this. Yeah, and this is our indicator. You can make the indicator with RegCap. And for today, this is only. For my next video, subscribe for my channel, press the bell icon for my new updates, and thanks for watching.